There are number of signs of kidney disease. Your body shows some physical signs that your kidneys are crying for help. Trouble sleeping. Sleep apnea is commonly seen in people suffering with chronic kidney diseases. When the kidneys are not filtering properly, the toxins are not flushed out through urine. They stay in the blood, which can cause trouble sleeping. Dry itchy skin. Dry and itchy skin are a warning signs of kidney failure. Your kidneys fail to maintain the right balance of minerals and nutrients, which can result in bone and kidney disease. Weakness. A poor kidney function can lead to a buildup of toxins in the blood. This makes the people to feel tired, weak and hard to concentrate. Anemia, weakness and fatigue are most common signs of kidney diseases. Another sign of kidney failure is to feel the need to urinate more often, especially at night. When the kidneys filter are damaged, it can cause an increase in the urge to urinate. Blood in urine. Healthy kidneys keep the blood cells in the body when filtering waste from the blood. But when the kidneys filters are damaged, the blood cells start to leak out into the urine. Foamy urine. The excessive bubbles in the urine, which requires you to flush several times until they go away, is the indication of unwanted proteins in the urine. This foam may be like the foam of scrambling eggs, as the common protein found in urine, albumin, and in eggs. High blood pressure. Our circulatory system and kidneys depend on each other. The kidneys have small nephrons that filter waste and certain fluids from the blood. When the blood vessels are damaged, the nephrons that filter your blood doesn't receive enough oxygen and nutrients. That's why high blood pressure is the second leading cause of kidney failure. Puffy eyes. Puffy eyes are an early sign that your kidneys filter are damaged due to protein in the urine. The puffiness around the eye says that your kidneys are leaking a large amount of protein into the urine. Swelling. Swollen ankles, feet and hands are the warning signs of kidney failure. Decreased kidney function can lead to sodium retention, which causes swelling in your feet and ankles. Back pain. Back pain is another sign of kidney failure. Back pain is usually deep and caused in the right below the rib cage. It can be felt in the front of the groin or hip area. Back and leg pain is due to kidney cysts, which are the result of polycystic kidney disease. If you are facing any of these problems mentioned in this video, consult your family doctor immediately and take his advice. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share to your friends and family members. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.